Hello beautiful souls, it's Ellena here and I hope we're all doing well and having an amazing day. So yesterday guys I uploaded a video for light language, helping with insomnia and sleep problems, but today I'm also going to be uploading a Reiki video for getting rid of sleep problems and insomnia. Because I know some of you people prefer Reiki, so I'd like to offer for both sides of the coin, so to speak. So let's get started, guys. Just make yourself feel completely comfortable. You can close your eyes if you'd like. And taking a deep breath of air, breathing in through the nose. And breathing out, releasing. So, I will now be sending you forth Reiki energy to help you get a good night's sleep, to help you alleviate insomnia, and to really overall just stop the issues, stop the sleep issues. So let's get started. With angelic and spirit assistance as always. And I'd like you now to just take a deep breath, breathing in through the nose and releasing, breathing out. We've now finished today's short Reiki distance healing session to help you alleviate problems that are preventing you from sleeping. So I hope you find this helpful, guys. Give the video a big like if you enjoyed this, comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you want to share your appreciation, then you can find my Patreon link in the description below, guys. You can become a patron and receive monthly light language and also readings and more. And other than that, if you would like to book a full distance healing Reiki session, you can find my contact details down below. You can email me. And I also have a playlist which has every other Reiki video that I've got on the channel so far, which you can access also in the description. I'm wishing you a lovely day, guys, and I'm sending lots of love from my heart to yours. Peace, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.